having so many people from across KC, ensuring that we're doing some great voluntary work for some great charities, and as a mill we're really proud to be hosting this event.
We expected a pack-a-thon, that's what we called it. It was more than that. The energy, the organisation, 5,000 packs of product that will support a family, a person, an individual for a period of time with products to keep them clean.
There's been a fantastic atmosphere. We've had over 200 KCers here at our Northfleet mill. They've taken the time out today to give back and to support our charity partners. And we've got over 5,000 essential hygiene kits now that are going to get distributed out across the UK.
At a time when people are having to make really tough decisions about eating, heating or keeping clean, these packs will make a big difference.